Today I'm making a chocolate pudding mousse pie. First I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 1 sleeve of graham crackers that I crushed up. Next I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Then mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add the graham cracker crust into a greased 9-inch pie plate and then press it in and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make the chocolate pudding, so in a saucepan I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. Then I'm going to add a family size of this cook and serve chocolate pudding mix. Now I have this on medium heat. I'm going to stir constantly until it boils. Now I have the cooled pie crust. I'm going to add the chocolate pudding into the pie crust and let this sit at room temperature for 2 hours to cool off, and then I'm going to cover this and place this in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours until it's set. Next I'm making the chocolate mousse, so I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream into a bowl. Then I'm going to add this chocolate instant mousse mix into the bowl and mix this up until it thickens. Next I took the pie out of the fridge. I'm going to add the chocolate mousse on top and spread that out. Here's a slice of the pie and I added some whipped cream on top.